Hi, this is Ken from Psychic Tapestry with your Psychic Jukebox cards for the week of August 8th. I'm going to pull 5 cards for you today. The first card is where you are at the beginning of the week. The second card is about health. The third card is about career and finances. The fourth card is about home and family. And the fifth card is kind of like a block, something you have to work around or work through to make some progress this week. This is, I call this my Psychic Jukebox deck. It is a deck that I made full of singers and bands and songs because music is very important to me. And it sort of corresponds to a traditional 78 card deck, but again, it's all singers and bands and songs. And one of the things that I love about music is that it's so personal that I can pull a card for you and I can tell you it's a specific singer and a specific song, and I can tell you what I believe that means. And that could have an instant connection for you that's different than what I say it is. And that's absolutely valid. It's true with any kind of reading that you get, actually. If you have an instant gut reaction, your intuition kicks in and you feel something about something the reader is telling you, and it's not the same as what they're saying, but it's what you feel when you see the card, that's absolutely valid. So just keep that in mind. The first card as you start the week, the Two of Pentacles, Jackson Browne, Lives in the Balance. It's a song obviously about balance, and this is a reminder to make sure that you're not spending too much of your energy in just one area. If you work too much in your home life, or just your time for yourself it isn't being met. This is a week to try and play some catch up and make some time for you, make some time for the things that you've been missing out on. It will make everything in your life better if you can make the time to do that. Health card, the Six of Wands, Aerosmith, Dream On. This is I feel like this is about your perception of yourself. The dream, the vision that you have of being healthy, of being fit, of being in the kind of shape and the kind of health that you want to be. And this is just a reminder to keep hold of that. You're not going to get there in one day. You didn't get where you are in one day. So try and do a little something every day to get where you want to be health-wise. And in the meantime, hold on to that dream and keep believing and keep dreaming it until you make it come true. Career and finance, the Two of Cups, John Lennon with Real Love. Usually this is about romance, but in the career spot, I feel like this is about finding something to do that you really love. I'm not suggesting that you quit your job and paint, but if what you're doing for a living is not something that you love, it's time to figure out what that would be that you love and start taking the steps, just like with the health card. Start taking the steps to get there. Don't quit your day job and decide that you're going to do something else when you have no way to pay your bills and do the things you need to do. But figure out what that might be and start taking the steps to get there. Home and family, the Five of Wands, Argent, hold your head up. This is a reminder that there's nothing you can't handle regarding your home and family. You might feel like there's a lot coming at you. There's a lot going on right now. Just hold your head up. You're going to be fine. Just remember, everything is going to be okay, and it will be. It can be a self-fulfilling prophecy. Just hold your head up and hang in there. And the card that could be a block, the Hierophant, Cass Elliot with Make Your Own Kind of Music. This is something that a lot of times we are kind of afraid to do, but it's a good time to go your own way. Make your own kind of music, even if nobody else is going to sing along. It's what feeds your heart and soul, and it's what makes you happy. It really goes together with that with the John Lennon card. So those are your cards for this week. Jackson Browne, Lives in the Balance, Aerosmith, Dream On, John Lennon, Real Love, Argent, Hold Your Head Up, and Cass Elliot, Make Your Own Kind of Music. Thanks so much for stopping by the Psychic Tapestry YouTube channel. Hope you can catch our shows this week, Friday at 5 p.m. and again on Saturday at 10 a.m., both times Pacific and on Blog Talk Radio. Thanks again for stopping by. Hope you have a great week.